30 useful Tagalog phrases for daily conversation. Nahihirapan akong matulog ng mahimbing. I'm having trouble getting a good night's sleep. Nahihirapan akong matulog ng mahimbing. I'm having trouble getting a good night's sleep. Wala kaming internet ngayon. Our internet is down at the moment. Wala kaming internet ngayon. Our internet is down at the moment. Hindi ko maalis sa isip ko ang kantang to. I can't get this song out of my head. Hindi ko maalis sa isip ko ang kantang to. I can't get this song out of my head. Nagpapaltos ako sa sapatos ko. My shoes are giving me blisters. Nagpapaltos ako sa sapatos ko. My shoes are giving me blisters. Gaano katagal ang delay? How long is the delay? Gaano katagal ang delay? How long is the delay? Bantayan mo ang bata habang naliligo ako. Keep an eye on the baby while I take a shower. Bantayan mo ang bata habang naliligo ako. Keep an eye on the baby while I take a shower. Wala akong makitang malinis na damit. I can't find clean clothes. Wala akong makitang malinis na damit. I can't find clean clothes. I-silent mode mo yung telepono mo kapag nagmi-meeting. Put your phone in silent mode during meetings. I-silent mode mo yung telepono mo kapag nagmi-meeting. Put your phone in silent mode during meetings. Kailangan kong mag-grocery para sa linggong to. I need to get groceries for the week. Kailangan kong mag-grocery para sa linggong to. I need to get groceries for the week. Hindi ko narinig ang sinabi mo. I didn't hear what you said. Hindi ko narinig ang sinabi mo. I didn't hear what you said. Wala akong maamoy. I can't smell anything. Wala akong maamoy. I can't smell anything. Hindi ko alam kung saan nagtatrabaho si Alice. I don't know where Alice works. Hindi ko alam kung saan nagtatrabaho si Alice. I don't know where Alice works. May sumasakit ba sa tiyan mo? Do you feel any pain in your stomach? May sumasakit ba sa tiyan mo? Do you feel any pain in your stomach? Ilang araw na lang bago birthday mo. How many days are left until your birthday? Ilang araw na lang bago birthday mo. How many days are left until your birthday? Kailangan nating ipagawa yung aircon. We need to get the air conditioning fixed. Kailangan nating ipagawa yung aircon. We need to get the air conditioning fixed. Nakapagpa-reserve ka ba? Did you get a chance to make the reservation? Nakapagpa-reserve ka ba? Did you get a chance to make the reservation? May tagyawat ako sa mukha. I have a pimple on my face. May tagyawat ako sa mukha. I have a pimple on my face. Wala akong malasahan. I can't taste anything. Wala akong malasahan. I can't taste anything. Namatay ang lolo ko noong 1 taon. My grandfather passed away last year. Namatay ang lolo ko noong 1 taon. My grandfather passed away last year. Hindi naman masakit nung kinunan ako ng dugo. It didn't hurt when I got my blood drawn. Hindi naman masakit nung kinunan ako ng dugo. It didn't hurt when I got my blood drawn. Ayokong maghagdan. I don't want to take the stairs. Ayokong maghagdan. I don't want to take the stairs. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin sa'yo yon. I can't tell you that. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin sa'yo yon. I can't tell you that. Ayaw matanggal ng takip ng garapon kahit anong pilit ko. The lid of the jar won't come off no matter how hard I try. Ayaw matanggal ng takip ng garapon kahit anong pilit ko. The lid of the jar won't come off no matter how hard I try. Tawagan mo ako kapag kailangan mo ng tulong. Call me if you need help. Tawagan mo ako kapag kailangan mo ng tulong. Call me if you need help. Itimpla mo naman ako ng kape. Please make me a cup of coffee. Itimpla mo naman ako ng kape. Please make me a cup of coffee. Ang bilis ng tibok ng puso ko. My heart is beating so fast. Ang bilis ng tibok ng puso ko. My heart is beating so fast. Kung hindi ka naniniwala sa akin, tanungin mo si John. If you don't believe me, ask John. Kung hindi ka naniniwala sa akin, tanungin mo si John. If you don't believe me, ask John. Tuturuan kitang mag-chess. I'll teach you how to play chess. Tuturuan kitang mag-chess. I'll teach you how to play chess. Sa tingin ko, kaya mo yun. I think you can do it. Sa tingin ko, kaya mo yun. I think you can do it. Nagtatrabaho ako sa bangko. I work at a bank. Nagtatrabaho ako sa bangko. I work at a bank.